There is a bird. Oh, there is another bird.
Have you seen anything interesting?
There is an interesting bird over there.
Oh no, I'm falling off a cliff.
Come quick, my friend has fallen off a cliff. Come quick, my friend has fallen off. Oh, she's back. Oh, yeah.
She does not look good.
She looks dead.
That's definitely not good.
Cut. Were you guys even trying that time? That was just so boring. Can you maybe try it with a bit of musical theatre style, maybe? Okay, take your places. Right on the set. Alright, bird watching, take 2. Action.
There is a bird. There is a bird. There is a bird. I dropped my script. But there's a bird. I dropped my script. There is a bird. There is a bird again. Yeah, a bird everywhere. Oh, where is my friend? She's gotta ask me some questions about the bird, but she's not here. Oh, there she is.
Have you seen anything interesting?
I have seen everything interesting.
Oh no!
That is. Oh, join me down on the floor. Oh wait, you went too far. Come quick, my friend has fallen over. Come quick,
Oh no!
please.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! She does not look bad!
I think she's dead.
That's definitely not good!
Cut.
I can't believe I am paying you guys for this. Okay, let's start again. I want you to try it boot camp style, okay? Places, quiet on the set. Okay. Bird watching, take 3. Action.
There's a bird. There is another bird.
Have you seen anything interesting, man?
Yes. There is a bird.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no! Stop! Come quick! My friend has fallen off the cliff. Roll.
Sir, what seems to be the problem? Sir!
Sir, my friend has fallen off the cliff, sir.
Oh no! She does not look good! Sir!
Correct.
I think she's dead, sir.
Ah,
That is definitely not good, sir.
No.
No, not good.
Cut. Come on, guys, I'm just not feeling it. Come on. This time, all right, I think we can get this right, guys. This time, I want you to do it Brogan style for me. Fine, right? Quiet on the script, please. Quiet on the script. All right, bird watching, take 4. Action.
oh, there's a bird. Oh, there's another bird. What are the birds?
Oh no, you
I-
seen anything interesting?
Yeah, mate, I ain't asked for those birds. They're in my yard. Nah, mate, they're my property. I ain't asked for those birds in my property. Ugh.
Oh no.
What?
There's a cliff. Oh.
Yeah, there's a. Don't go near the cliff, bro. Oh, you're falling off the cliff. Oh, nah. That's your own thing. That's your own fault, mate. Now I gotta use my credit. I'm on a cap plan. I'm not gonna. Oi, mate. Yeah, you. Yeah.
we do it Bollywood style, we'll get it right. Alright, are you ready? Bird watching. Take 5. Action.
Oh, there is the bug. Oh, there is another bird. Oh, I got so many bugs. I didn't even order this many bugs. I must have prayed them in. Thank you. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, this one says I like anything interesting. I've seen all the birds today. It's like they are coming to our dance. This is the bird dance. This is the Bollywood bird dance. They love it. Yes, it is very interesting. Oh, be careful of the cliff. Oh,